Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Adobe Express. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in new.express.adobe.com and press enter. This will now take you into the Adobe Express login page where you will be asked to enter your email address to continue forward, or you may also use your Facebook, your Google account, or your Apple account in order to sign up or log in. If you used your email address when you signed up, just enter this email and click on the continue button and then enter the password associated with your account to log in. Otherwise, click on any of the account options underneath and then choose your Google, your Facebook, or your Apple account in order to confirm your identity to log in to your existing account on Adobe Express. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Adobe Express. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.